In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Microsoft Excel using Google Drive. This simple and effective method is perfect when you need to transfer your spreadsheets from Google Sheets to Excel, ensuring you can work with them offline or within a different suite of tools. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make this conversion seamless and straightforward. To start, we'll need to head over to your Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're situated on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a grid displaying all your files. You might have hundreds or even thousands of documents, but no worries, using the search bar can help you locate your specific Google Sheet file swiftly. Next, once you've pinpointed your Google Sheet file in the interface, give it a click to open it. This will open your selected spreadsheet in Google Sheets, allowing you to review the content you wish to convert. Make sure everything looks just the way you want, because in just a moment we're going to download it as an Excel file. Now look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with various options. Click on File. This choice will reveal a drop-down menu offering numerous actions you might take, but don't get overwhelmed. What we need is just an option or two away. After clicking on File, simply hover over the download option in the list that appears. You will see a side menu coming up, presenting different formats available for download. This is where we choose how we want to export our document. Rest assured, Google provides plenty of format choices, making it versatile for different needs. From these options, you're going to want to select Microsoft Excel XLSX. Selecting this will automatically initiate a download of your Google Sheets document in a format compatible with Microsoft Excel. This conversion preserves the formatting and cell contents, ensuring that your data translates accurately between programs. You'll usually find the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder, unless you've opted to save files elsewhere. With just these few clicks, you've successfully converted your Google Sheet into an Excel format. This downloaded file can now be opened with Microsoft Excel or similar applications. Take a moment to open the file and check for yourself. You'll find that the transition from Google Sheets is smooth, with your data ready for further use in Microsoft Excel. And there you have it, you've mastered a crucial skill that enhances productivity, especially when collaborating with others or using different software. Keep this method in mind whenever you need to switch between these two platforms. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.